Thutha wa mathaa matanyihire matano magiko thuthuria wa mwiri wa mutigaire Charles Ong'ondo Were moshari-ini ya Lee, muthuthuria wa mire wa thirikari ni atariirie kiria giacungiririe gikuo kia mũmbunge ucio, akiuga gutiri undu angiahonokire gikuo. Mwimwe ya rithathi thano iria arathirwo yaturikaniirie ngoro.
For internal injuries in the vital organs, we saw that the bullet tracked through the heart, the lungs, the liver and the aorta, meaning that the late Mheshimiwa could not survive the injuries caused by the gunshot.
Ohogete Were ni arari na nguraro ingi iria ciacungiriirio ni rithathi icio.
There were 2 entry gunshot wounds on the left forearm, with 1 bullet lodged in the same forearm, 1 exited. There was also 2 entry bullet wounds on the left side of the chest, with an exit on the right side, but 1 lodged in the spine. Then there was a bullet track on the back, with the entry on the left side of the upper back, with the bullet head lodged on the left side of the upper back, which we took the samples for analysis, ballistics.
Maya mahanikite riri ekwirwana aria magwetanitio na njama iyo ya kumuraga matwaritwo igoti-ini ria JKA. Igoti rikiuga mahingirwo thiku 30 maabithaa a uthuthuria mambe maheo ihinda ria kurikiririo thuthuria.
So you take 30 days, I'll give you a date after 30 days, but if investigations are complete before then, just bring them so that we can deal further.
Kuringana na kamiti ya bunge iria irahariria mathiko ma Were igitongorio ni mũmbunge wa Homa Bay Peter Kaluma, igongona ria kuririkana mũmbunge ucio ritanyitwo gugatabanio kanitha-ini wa Holy Family Basilica Jumatano eno mbere ya mwiri wake gutwarwo kiharo-ini kia ndege gia Kabunde wa kana uroretio gwake mucii ni undu wa mathiko ma muthenya wa Juma. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Jenga wa Wabui.